Lesson 1. Evedex, your best choice for entering to the world of cryptocurrency. In this lesson, let's cover what is Evedex, why to use Evedex, what advantages does Evedex offer to its users. So, what is Evedex? Evedex is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that combines the best features of both centralized and decentralized platforms. It allows you to trade, exchange crypto, use P2P exchange features, and manage debit cards all in one place with maximum security and convenience. So, why to use Evedex? Evedex is your getaway into the crypto world with an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. The exchange is accessible for beginners while offering advanced trading tools for most experienced users. It is an all-in-one platform, from securing your account to earning passive income through our affiliate program. What advantages does Evedex offer to its users? Accessibility and simplicity. The platform has intuitive interface and a user-friendly mobile app. There's no need to divide into technical details thanks to our social logins and built-in wallet. Security and control. Unlike centralized exchanges, your funds are always under your control. Evedex uses two-factor authentication and encryption to ensure maximum security. Low fees and user benefits. Thanks to our Layer 3 solution, we maintain low transaction fees consistently. Unique affiliate opportunities. If you're looking to earn through trading and by referring new users, Evedex offers a great affiliate program with effective terms. Unlike other DEX platforms, we let you earn commissions from various sources. Easy access. Unlike centralized exchanges, where you have to create complex accounts and go through lengthy KYC procedures, Evedex offers a smoother entry with minimal barriers. You don't have to worry about regulations or limitations. Evedex allows you to stay anonymous and trade freely from anywhere in the world. Evedex isn't just an exchange, it's an ecosystem where both beginners and experienced traders can safely, quickly, and profitably work with cryptocurrencies while having access to all of the tools of modern decentralized trading. In the following lessons, we'll go over how to register an Evedex exchange. Ready? Let's move forward. If you come across any unfamiliar terms while diving into the world of Evedex, be sure to check out our glossary, where we explain complex crypto terms in simple language.